So guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your business email account or your work email account to your Gmail account. So if you have a hosting platform like Hostinger, is what I'm going to show you on this video. So how to connect your work email account to your Gmail account is what I'm going to show you here. So just follow the step-by-step guide of what I'm going to show you on this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Hostinger platform. So for this to work, you need to have your website and you need to create your work email. If you want to create your work email, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. It will show you step by step on how you can create your work email for about 5 minutes. So go and watch this video. So let me show you how you can connect your work email to your Gmail account. So first, go to your email account here, click on the area where it said email, and you click on manage, and here is going to show you the email that you have created. You need to click on email account and copy your email that you want to connect to that your Gmail account, which is this one. I will click on copy. The next thing you have to do is to click on this section where it said connect app and device. Click on that and it's going to pop this up. Just leave this page open, then go to your Gmail account. So as you can see on my Gmail account here, what I need to do is to click on this settings icon and click on this area where it said see all settings. Once you click on it, come to this section where it said account and import. Once account and import open, just scroll down until you come to this section where it said send mail as. Click on the area where it said add another email address. Click on that and it's going to pop this up. Enter that your email account that you have copied from your Hostinger platform here. So go back, I will add the email here, just paste, and I will click on, make sure you tick this and click on next step, and it's going to open this up. So the next thing you have to do is to copy the SMTP server. You need to copy that and come and paste it here. Go back, copy this, which is this one here, copy it. I will click on copy. Make sure you are copied from this one, which is the MSTP. Copy that and go back to your Gmail account here, paste it here, and you need to enter the server code, which is the port code here. This is the port code 465. So 465, which is this code here. Go back to that your Gmail account here where you are adding it and select it here, 465. Here you are going to enter that your Gmail account that you have created. So go back to your hosting platform here, copy the email, come here, paste the email, password, and you click, make sure you click on this one where it says secure connection using SSL recommended. Click on add account and it's going to pop this up. So I'm just going to save it. You can save it or you can leave it. So I'll click on save. Look at what he's saying here. Say confirm verification and add your email address. So what we need to do now is to go to that our email account on our Hostinger platform. So once you come here, what you need to do is to click on the email that you are trying to connect, which is this one here, testing1@yugospower.com. Click on web mail and it's going to pop this up. Enter your password and click on login. And it's going to log you into your own account. So once you have logged into your own account, you can click on save if you want to save the password. And you can see the Gmail confirmation. Click on that. And it's going to pop this up. What you need to do is to just click on this link. And it's going to pop this up for you. Click on it again to confirm it. And as you can see, confirmation successful. Your email is now connected to your Gmail account. So there is something we need to do. Don't just close this page now. So if we come down, if we come here now, if we click on refresh, you can see that it's now connected to this your Gmail account. There's one thing that we need to do so that we'll be able to be receiving email from this our Gmail account. So anytime we send us email from this our hosting platform, they send an email to this our email here. We are now going to receive it on our Gmail account here. So how can we do that? You need to click on this area where it said check mail from another account. Click on that. Here you are going to enter your email. Go back to Hostinger here. copy your email address, which is this one, come back to this part here, paste in your email account here and click on next, and just everything that is, you just leave it just like it is and click on next. And here you are going to enter the same name that you have entered last time. Click on that, enter your email address and password, and here you are going to enter your port server. So how to find your port server? Go back to Hostinger here, click on the section where it said connect app and device, and you can see this is your port server, incoming server pop. So what this is doing is that it will allow you to receive emails that anyone is sending you on this your Hostinger work email account. So once I click on copy, you need to copy it, and the port code is 995. So go back to your Gmail account and paste it here, and your port code is 995. Click on that. You need to use this, you need to tick this area where it said always use a secure connection SSL when retrieving mail. So I will click on that, and you need to click on this area where it said label incoming message. Click on that, and you need to click on the part where it said add account. So once you have done it, you will be seeing that it will just take you here, and it will be showing you this. It will be saying checking mail. So what you need to do now is to go and log in this your Gmail account, or you can just come down to your inbox here. You can see the confirmation email that Hostinger Mail have sent to you. You can see Team Mail have sent you this email here. Click on it and click on confirm. You can see successfully your email account has now been connected. So now you can now receive email from anyone if they send you email on this your Gmail here, which is this one. So if anyone send me email on this testing1@ugodspower.com, I will receive it on my Gmail account. So that is how you can do it. So let me show you proof that everything that we just did work. So what I need to do now is to send email from my other email to this one here. So I will now go, I will come here, I will copy this email here, and I'll open a new window, type in Gmail. So what I'm trying to do now is to compose a new email. Click on compose new email. We type it here. So I'll enter the email that I want to send to, which is this one here. And I will just say, how are you doing, bro? No, I just type in, how are you doing, bro? I'm even typing bad. How are you doing, bro? And I will click on send. The email has been sent. So when you come to your email here, if I click on it, you will see the email that we just sent. How are you doing, bro? We send it to our email account here, and we receive it on our Gmail account here. So that is how you can connect your business email account to your Gmail account. So I will say thank you very much. Don't forget, guys, like this video, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. If you want to learn how you can create your business email account, you need to click on the video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video.